Hi, in this segment we're going to take a look at this song that we pasted from our clipboard, and we're going to kind of enhance it a little bit. In particular, the thing that I want to do is to look at how the lines break. So as we go along, it's faithful one, so unchanging, ageless one, you're my rock of peace. That's a very natural break there. Lord of all, I depend on you. But then we go to Lord of all, I depend on you. I call out to you, and then it breaks to again and again. I don't really like the way that works. I'd rather have the I call out to you with the again and again. So I'm going to use a tool called to reflow it's a reflow editor for the song, and you'll see how that works. So I have the song highlighted in my library here. I'm going to right click, and it says Reflow Document. This brings up a special editor which lets me change how the slides are broken. So here I've got faithful one, so unchanging, ageless one, you're my rock of peace. That's great. I like that. Lord of all, I depend on you. I want to have the next part be on a different slide. So I'm going to insert a slide break right at that point. So I had my cursor there after you, and then I hit the insert a slide break. So you'll see it made a new slide for me here. But this isn't exactly what I want either. I call out to you again and again on a new slide, not what I want. So I'm going to put my cursor right here by again. This part is just a little bit clunky, but you'll see how it works. I can hit the backspace now, and it puts it up there. Now, let's see. That might be actually a way I can do this. I might want to say, I call out to you again and again as one line, and then the second have that repeat. Now, I wonder how that will fit, if that will fit on the screen. I think it might. I'm going to go ahead and try it. So now I'm going to scroll down just a little further. I've got the second I call out to you, and then I'm going to hit the backspace here and put that up there again and again. Here now I have you are my rock on that same slide. So I'm going to put my cursor right there after again and hit insert slide break. So now I'm starting the other part of the song here. You are my rock. I want in times of trouble to be with that. So I'm going to position there before the I and hit my backspace. In times of trouble, you lift me up. And I want this when I fall down to be all up with that. When I fall down. I think that those will work in that as one line. You are my rock in times of trouble. I think that'll work as a line on a slide. You lift me up when I fall down. We'll double check that after a bit. But okay, I want all through the storm to be on the next slide because that's kind of a new thought. So I hit the insert slide break. All through the storm. Then I've got your love is the anchor, my hope is in you alone. Actually, those, we could do 3 lines on a slide. We can do up to 3. That works. So I'm going to do that as 3 lines. So I'm going to hit the backspace. And then I have the cursor between the M and the Y, the M in storm and the Y in your. And I'm just going to hit an enter there. So I'm making that into 3 lines. So actually, that's the entire song right there. So I want to exit the Reflow editor. So I'm going to go up here to the little X and click on that. And let's see how this looks. So as I'm going through here, you'll see this over here on my preview. I have faithful one, so unchanging, ageless one, you're my rock of peace. Lord of all, I depend on you by itself. I call out to you again and again. I call out to you again and again. That's nice because if I had those on 2 separate slides, you wouldn't be able to tell when the repeat happens. So this makes it real obvious that it's a repeat. Then you are my rock in times of trouble. You lift me up when I fall down. All through the storm, your love is the anchor. My hope is in you alone. That works very well. I don't really need all the rest of these slides right now. I'll show you a little trick that we're going to do here. I'm going to delete these slides. This will come in handy too when we pull something from Song Select. We'll do the same kind of thing. I'm going to go ahead and delete this second instance of this.